Welcome to our Launching Your Affiliate Marketing Journey series, where we help you take off in the field of affiliate marketing. In this video, we will discuss our win-win-win philosophy and why over 100 brands and 300,000 publishers choose us to partner with in their affiliate marketing journey. Hello and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about our win-win-win philosophy. At Travelpayouts, we partner with brands that want access to a large pool of publishers that will help them reach a wider audience and increase their sales. Publishers like you join us because they want to create a solid income promoting travel brands that they love. We succeed when both brands and publishers succeed in increasing their revenue through their mutual partnership. So you can see, we truly believe that when we partner closely with both our brands and our publishers, all of us win in the end. So what does that mean for you? As you grow in your affiliate marketing journey, you can expect support from the Travelpayouts team. We are working hard to bring you more tutorials and articles on how to grow your affiliate marketing business, so you have the latest strategies and can earn more faster. And if you ever have any questions or issues, know that our support team is only an email away. We work closely with brands, making sure that you have all the assets and support you need to successfully promote their products and services, so everyone is increasing their revenue. This includes unique promotional tools only available for travel payout publishers. We win when our brands and publishers succeed. Let's do a quick recap. We see our work with you as a true partnership. We work with our brands closely so they have partners that are bringing them more sales. We win when you succeed. Now that you know the benefits of partnering with Travelpayouts, in our next video, we will talk about the benefits of working with a travel partnership platform. Why not get started now and dive into our next video?